Element 4, process for manufacture, assembly, fabrication and sequencing is monitored. So there's a few things in there, and there's 4 performance criteria that you're actually being assessed on, or making sure that you can demonstrate for this element. 4.1, space requirements for preparation of manufactured units or products are identified and located. You're working in a set factory or manufacturing place, and you need to make sure that you have the room to manufacture these units, whatever they are. Kitchen cabinets, bathroom cabinets, windows, doors, roof trusses, whatever your business is doing. So you're able to make sure you've got the space for the preparation of these units, and they're identified and located, that they're not going to block anything else out. 4.2, component parts are required and checked for accuracy, quality and suitability according to plans, drawings and specifications. Quite often, units that are being manufactured off-site that need to be installed later are made up of multiple components based off a plan, and they need to make sure that they're within a specific tolerance range. They need to be accurate, especially when you're thinking of aluminium windows. One part of the factory might manufacture the top part of the frame, another does the bottom part of the frame, another does the glass, another does the sides, the sliding components. There's a lot of different components in these, and you need to make sure that that you can basically get them, check them for quality, accuracy and suitability based off the plans and the specifications. 4.3, assembling process is identified according to sequential order events. So you're able to identify the order that things need to be put together to manufacture this component. You're not just grabbing things and trying to do it in whatever order you can think of. There's going to be a sequential order, and you need to be able to show that you can identify that order and follow that order. 4.4, typical common faults in product and or process problems and appropriate remedial actions are identified according to set workplace operating procedures. So there's always going to be the chance of a fault when something's being manufactured. Your performance that you're trying to demonstrate is that you're able to identify those faults and know how to remediate, how to fix that without having to start again if you can. How can you overcome something? You know that within the workplace there's set processes that can be used to remediate, fix an identified fault.